All right, so we have our solar fan. I want to thank the company for sending this out to us. We're going to be using it for our chicken coop. A lot of options with this. You don't have to use it for a coop. You can use it anywhere, a small shed, somewhere where you want to create airflow. This is waterproof, aluminum construction. You can set for 3 hours, 6 hours, your on and off button, everything easy to access. This is where you're going to plug your solar panel into. So with what we're going to do here, I'm going to be drilling a little hole right back there. My solar panel cord is going to come through there, and I'll show you that in a minute. So we're either going to be mounting right here. We have options, or might be mounting here. It just depends on how we want to reach in to turn this off and on, but no big deal. A lot of places to mount this. If you wanted to mount this on hardware cloth and use some fender washers and some nuts and screws, you could do that too. It just depends on what kind of setup you have. So that's where we're going to put that. And let me show you how we got the solar panel installed here, which you have options with that as well, because you get a nice long 16-foot cord. Like I said, you run a hole right through here. You're not going to have any exposed wire. Nice thing about this, it's adjustable. So depending on where the sun is, you can tilt it flat like this, whatever you want to do. But I thought this was going to be a good place for it. You know, if your coop is going to be in the shade, which a lot of people might do, you could take this, mount it much higher up onto a tree or somewhere where it's never going to be shaded, and keep everything charged. So this is a great option for ventilation. I think it's going to work out great for us and for this coop. And a lot of coops this style, I think it would work out perfect. So yeah, great solar fan.